Welcome to the DIY of the day. Hello my YouTube people, how you doing today? I hope that you are good. In today's video, I am taking you to the Dollar Tree to look at this beautiful blue collection. I love this. So I got a bowl from this collection and I got one of the white candle holders. This is going to be such an easy DIY, guys. I am so happy with this DIY. I'm going to go ahead and put some Gorilla Glue all on the top of our candle holder, and then we are just going to place our bowl on top. Make sure that it is even because your bowl can slide a little bit and you don't want it to be lopsided. So make sure that it is perfectly even, that you get that bowl on there centered nicely. Once you do, you're going to give it a nice press and you're going to leave it for a few minutes, and then you're going to go around the outside where the bowl meets the candle holder, and you're going to let some glue seep into the seams. Don't do too much because Gorilla Glue loves to run and you don't want any of these streaks running down your project. So I'm going to go ahead around this seam where the bowl meets the candle holder, and I'm just going to go over it lightly and make sure that the seams are glued. Now go ahead and let that dry. I would give it about half an hour to let it dry fully. I'm going to take a little starfish motif that I had in my stash, and I am going to glue it to the front of my candle holder. Guys, this is such an easy DIY, and I can't even believe it came out so beautiful. You can secure your star with some hot glue and some Gorilla Glue and put it there on top and wipe off the excess. Look at how this came out, guys. So simple and so beautiful. You can use the bowl because we didn't do anything to it, so you can serve some delicious crab dip or whatever it is that you might want to put in this bowl. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. The next thing I have here, these beautiful glasses from the same kind of coastal theme, I guess, at Dollar Tree. I saw them and I thought that they were beautiful with this beautiful like watercolory streak. So I don't normally stack glasses one on top of another because I feel that you can tell that they're glasses. But when I saw this and I put them one on top of each other, I didn't get that feeling, so I decided to go for it on this project. So I'm going ahead and I'm cleaning off the bottom of the glasses with some alcohol, and I am going to get my Gorilla Glue and glue the two cups together. I wanted to pay attention and match up the blue swirls so it looks like it's one continuous swirl going from the bottom of the glass to the top. I'm giving it a generous coating of Gorilla Glue here because I want these glasses to really be secure. Now I matched where the blue swirls meet so that it's going to look like one continuous swirl. I am so in love with how these look. I made sure that where the glasses touched, I kind of like mushed them together to make sure that glue meshed well with each other. And I put something heavy inside the glass to give it that little bit of pressure it needed to seal the glasses together. I let that dry, and then I went in. Look at how beautiful that looks. And then I went in with some Dollar Tree white rocks and put them inside the glass. I think that this is such a clean look, and I just really love the way this is looking. I took another one of my little starfish designs and some shells that I had from the Dollar Tree seashell packs, and I put them along the top. Look at how cute they all look in there together. And there it is. It is so simple and so pretty. The simplicity of this makes it just look so elegant. So what do you guys think? If this is your first time here, my name is Maria. I go by a talented Latina. If you see value in this video, please like, please subscribe, but please send me your comments. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.